Welcome to another English challenge video. What did I just do? What did I do? How would you describe what I just did? This, okay? I'll show you again. All right? Like this, and then how would you describe that in English? Well, I'm going to give you 4 seconds to pause the video and take your guess. Write how you would describe it down there in the comments, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, are you ready? Well, I leapfrogged over this thing. I leapfrogged over this. What is this? Well, this is called a yoga wheel. A yoga wheel. Okay, that's not important, but the important thing I want to teach you in this video is the verb to leapfrog. To leapfrog. Okay? Leapfrog is actually the name of a kid's game. Okay, kids love playing leapfrog. Okay, you've probably seen it, right? Let's say I'm a kid and there's another kid here, okay? And I'm going to jump over this kid, right? So I jump over this kid, I leapfrog over him, and then he leapfrogs over me, okay? So I leapfrog over my friend, and then my friend leapfrogs over me, right? After I leapfrog, then my friend jumps over me. Okay, so we are leapfrogging each other. We're leapfrogging each other. Now the word leapfrog is not just a word used to describe a children's game. It's actually, it's a word that is used in a lot of different areas in English. I mean, you might be reading an article about business or politics, and you might come across the word leapfrog. Okay, I'll give you an example. You could say the new company leapfrogged its competition. The new company leapfrogged its competition. Let's say you start a new company, right? And you have all your competitors. Let's say your competitors are here and you started a new company, so you're down here. But your company does really well and you do better than them. You surpass, right? You make more money, your company gets, more popular, right? Then you surpass your competition. So you could say the new company leapfrogged its competition. Or let's say you start a YouTube channel today, and my YouTube channel is here, and you're just a small YouTuber, right? But then you suddenly get 1 million subscribers. Then you would leapfrog me because I don't have 1 million subscribers, and then I would be jealous of you for leapfrogging me. Okay, so you might see that word leapfrog, like I said, in business or politics or some other area in English, and it just means to jump over or to surpass something else. It's not just a fun kids game. Hey, I want you to try to use that in a sentence. Okay, try to make a sentence with the word leapfrog. Okay, post your sentence down there in the comments, and I'll try to tell you if it's a good sentence. Anyway, hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I'll see you over in the next episode of Mad English TV. Take care.